Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel Terabox subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. To cancel Terabox subscription, you need to go to Play Store if you are Android user, or you can go to the Apple Store if you are iOS user. And here I'm Android user, so I'm gonna go to the Play Store. Okay, open up Play Store, and then you're going to go to your account here. Okay, if you have logged into multiple accounts, you need to select one of them and make sure you select the account you use to subscribe to the Terabox. Okay, you can choose your account, and then after you have selected your account, you can go to the payments and subscriptions right here, and then go to the subscription. And here are the applications I have subscribed to. Okay, I have subscribed to the Terabox Premium, and then here I have canceled it, so I just need to remove it here. But if you haven't canceled it, you can click on the application and then you can cancel the subscription. Wait, let's say that this is Terabox and I'm going to cancel it. We can click on the application and we can click on cancel subscription. Basically, if you want to cancel a subscription of an application, you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you can go to the payments and subscriptions, and then select the subscriptions, and you will be able to cancel it here. And then there is another way to cancel the subscription. You can go to your Google account. You can go to Google, and then you're going to select the account, okay, like this, and I'm going to go to the Google account, and then we're going to go to the payments and subscription from here. Okay, you can select payments and subscription, and then you can scroll down and select manage subscriptions. Okay, and here are the applications I have subscribed to. And if we want to remove the subscription, we just need to tap on the application like this. And then we're going to click on cancel subscription. Okay, it works for both of Android or iOS. So you can use two methods to cancel the subscription, guys, using Play Store or Apple Store and using Google. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel Terabox Premium subscription. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.